Minister munene MUSALIA MUDAVADI ntuku ya umuthi narugurite Kigomano Gia Kithomo na kuthuja kithomo Afrika yonthe kiatho kiria kiruthiriitwe mukawani umwe mucii wa Nairobi. Akiaria MUSALIA NAUGITE Kenya ni yumitie kurutana arutwa wira wa NJARA nuntu wira wa UBICI nukuoneka kuthii na mbere ukinyibaga uburia ntuku ikuthii. Akibinyagiria kwirutaniria kwa thirikari kiri mathomo ma utia na ukinyaniria.
Belgium at the back right there. Botswana. Very good. Zambia. Kenya.
Climate change has occasioned destruction and calamities from the unrelenting forces of nature. Humanity is on the verge of destitution thanks to constant threats of droughts, flooding, unpredictable rainfall patterns, outbreak of diseases, and infestation of pests. Rapid behavior change measures need to be taught, practiced, and assessed progressively in our education systems to systematically change citizen behavior in the face of these adversities. Schools and colleges should become the best spaces for measuring the innovative ideas to counter the effects of climate change. I hope that in this conference, climate change awareness, nurturing innovations, creativity, and technology for sustainable development will find place in discussions and pragmatic recommendations.
I would want to most sincerely acknowledge the unity among the members that is evident in the last 6 years, as I've already mentioned, that you've always been with us as we process our examinations. I would want to confirm that we've had representations from all the regions of our African Examination Board. So once again, thank you very much. As the Ministry of Education, we don't take this unity for granted, as it has been a pillar in ensuring that the standards of examinations in Kenya are maintained at global standards.
Kenya has also embarked on a digital transformation that envisages the provision of digital jobs because of dwindling white-collar job opportunities. This calls for leveraging ICT in learning, teaching, and assessment. Our desire is that learners are agile and ready to embrace the needs of the 21st century workplace.